My forehead's big as hell, but it's cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for those of you who are new, and if you are new, what's up? Your girl is back again today with a wig review. The wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is from Vanessa hair. The unit, I already have it on my head actually. Shocking, I know. This is a TQHB Monica unit in the color OL3147. The color is a blue. Hopefully you guys can see it just a little bit. It is blue. I know like the lighting can kind of throw it off a little bit, but y'all, that color is blue for you. So this is a four-parting type of wig, so you can do the four-way quad part like it is here. It is a hand-tied lace, so it's gonna look like a little bit more natural. You don't have to do too much with this type of lace. So as you can see, you could do it in a lot of different styles. I did already cut the lace off of it, and I went ahead and glued the sides down and just got it placed on my head because you guys know like the drift of that. So I'm just gonna try like 3 different styles, maybe 2. I'm not really sure how many, but I just wanted to show you guys what the unit looks like. This is what it looks like coming out of the packaging. I haven't done anything to it at all whatsoever. I just placed it on my head. It does have a comb right here in the front, and then it has one in the midways in the back. I did use both of the combs as well as the adjustable straps as well. I did make it just a little bit tighter so it could fit as snug as possible to my head. So this is what the unit looks like, just placed on my head and glued down. I have not done anything to the edges quite yet. I just laid it down to make sure it would stay. Now we're just going to see about styling it. And out of the packaging, it does come in like 2 pigtails and then 2 bottom pigtails. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see what the back of it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see that. It is already in 4 ponytails. So you should be able to see like where the parting is and whatnot. Turn back around for you guys. Hopefully you could see that, how the parting was, and you could hear me. The unit comes with its own baby hairs. I did not cut those. Glue this middle part down, just the sides, because the sides are sticking out a little bit and they wouldn't lay down flat, so I had to go ahead and glue down. Such a gorgeous color. Like this is like not royal blue, but it looks so healthy and wealthy. Like that's what this reminds me of. This color is just really gorgeous. I love to see like this color straighten. Y'all know I'm like a huge fan of straight hair. I'm gonna take my big white tooth comb and I'm just gonna comb it out a bit. I just want to throw it out there that I thought, well, in the eyeshadow palette, this color looked a very like teal blue, which is what I thought it was gonna be, but it's showing up green. I'm not mad at it, but damn, I thought I was about to have me. I thought I was gonna have me some teal like eyes, but it is what it is, I guess. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add some powder. This is one of the most natural looking laces I've seen on Vanessa hair wigs in a minute. Like this is a real nice lace. I'm feeling this. My forehead's big as hell, but it's cute. I'm gonna play with the baby hairs. I'm using the edge booster. So there we go. We laid down the edges, you guys, as you can see. A little quick update there. Unfortunately, guys, I'm kind of limited on time, so I'm not gonna be able to show you the other styles that it can go in, because unfortunately the hair isn't lying down like I wanted to, so I'm not gonna be able to do like other styles with it. But you guys catch the drift. You can do other styles with it. You can wear it like half up, half down if you want to, because you can make your middle part like disappear. You probably could even wear it off to the side, like if you want to, maybe adjust it over. Not quite sure like how the evenness will be like with the hair, but it's also a possibility. Now you can also pull this back, but as you guys can see, my lace isn't lying down right now, and I actually have somewhere to be, so I'm not about to, you know, play with that. But you can see it does all of that, but the way my hair is falling right now, you can't see none of that. So it isn't shiny. The unit is a human hair wig, so you can use heat on it. You can use up to 360 degrees is what is preferred to use on the unit, so that's nice. You probably could even curl it up some more if you would like, or you can straighten it. I'm not gonna straighten it because I like this. Actually, I like this curl pattern with this color, but it's very like midnight blue to me, like with this lip as well. That's why I think it's like popping this color even more. So I really like this unit, and I hope you guys like it too. As for my makeup, you guys seem to always ask me, what lip product did you use? Y'all, I'm gonna show you what I use. I want y'all to understand that when you see me with lip colors, most of the time I've mixed, like, I kid you not, probably the minimum is 3 lipsticks. I'm always mixing colors. So I love to use a lip liner because I just like to shape my lips. And just to let you know, my lips are naturally shaped like this. I'm not making them overlined or anything. They're just nice and full. I was blessed with these lips. But I use 5 different lip products, y'all. I used a brown lip liner. I used a NYX suede lipstick in 07. I used the NYX lingerie lip in, I don't even know what color this is, Teddy. And I used the Sephora lipstick. I don't see a color on it, but it's Sephora lipstick, and it has like a pink tone to it. And then I also used one of the MAC lip gloss. This is Viva La Glam. And then I added like a little bit of a clear gloss on it. So that's why when I tell you guys, this is not just one lipstick. I put on like a whole bunch of different colors until I get a color that I like. So, and then for the eye makeup, I'm going to show you a little clip of that. Hey guys, so I'm trying to pause my TV. So I am going to show you guys how I got this little quick eye look. It is nothing fancy, y'all. I am not a professional makeup artist, but I do my own makeup, and sometimes I do others. But yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I get this eye look. I'm going to use, this is a get ready with me video, and the palette that I'm going to use for today's eye look is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. I know I haven't like dug into it a lot, but it's been pretty used and abused, but I am going to use this. Okay. Well. So I'm going to finish putting this color on my lid, and then I'm going to put the lashes on, and I'll be right back to finish up my face. Lashes are from Coco Lashes. These are the Monroe lashes, and oh my god, I love these lashes. And then for my outfit, I have this cute green like sweater from Boohoo. Guys, this is a cute little green sweater from Boohoo. I have on a black tank and some white, black and white pants. They're stripy. So I feel like this was like a perfect cute little holiday look. We got the green going on with a little bit of green and red in the eyes, and then the hair just made it like pop even more. In the color, since this is like a deep tone blue, it it all works. So yeah, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video today. A little quick get ready with me, and also threw in a little wig review there. I do want to do a separate video that's specifically on me styling this unit. If you guys are interested in that, let me know, because I will do that. Well, I'm going to do it anyways because I want to see what else I can do with this unit, but I want to do it one day when I can actually really glue it down and, you know, just get it stuck and get it right. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's all I'm gonna do today. This is a minimalist look, I feel, because my jewelry is very, like, you know, bare. Have on just like a little ring, and you know, that's it. We just gonna do what it do, like just like this, and we gonna go out and we gonna be popping just like this. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all I got for you guys. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.